Charles was a boy who had no purpose in life. He spent his days wasting time, wandering with the wrong company, and ignoring his responsibilities. His father, an old farmer, was worried about him. No matter how much he advised Charles, the boy never listened. He neither helped on the farm nor cared about anything useful. The farmer decided to teach him a lesson he would never forget. One day the farmer called Charles and said, "Son, there is an expensive watch in the cupboard. Bring it to me." Charles brought the watch, and his father said, "Take this watch to the market and ask people its price, but do not sell it." Charles went to the market and asked different shopkeepers. One said it was worth $20, another said $50, and some even said $100. By evening he returned home and told his father the different prices. The farmer smiled and said, "All right, son, now place the watch on the table and go to sleep." The next morning, the farmer called Charles again. "Take the watch from the cupboard and bring it to me." Charles did so. His father then said, "Today, go to the market again, but this time, ask people not for the price of the watch, but for the value of the time it shows." Charles was confused but obeyed. When he asked people about the value of time, they laughed at him. Some mocked him, and a few even called him crazy. "Yesterday he asked about the price of a watch, and today he is asking about time," they said. Feeling embarrassed, Charles started walking home. On the way, he passed the house of a wealthy businessman known for being very busy. Charles thought, maybe he knows the answer. He gathered courage and asked, "Sir, what is the value of the time on this watch?" The businessman smiled and said, "Son, a watch has a price, but the time it shows is priceless. If you lose money, you can earn it back. But if you waste time, you can never get it again. No amount of money can bring back even a single second." Charles finally understood his father's lesson. Tears filled his eyes as he rushed home. His father was waiting outside, watching him. From that day on, Charles changed completely. He stopped wasting time and started working hard, realizing that time was the most valuable thing in life.